For real this time, here's example 3. Again, we're trying to find AC, which I'll call X, in this triangle ABC. So I take that X, follow it across to the angle at its opposite, and I get that 26 degrees. Take the other side, follow it across to angle C, but notice it's blank. There's no angle measurement there. But since I have the other two angle measurements and a triangle adds up to 180 degrees, I can add up 52 and 26, subtract it from 180, and I get 102 degrees. So really, this angle was just here so that it helps us find angle C. So I can use the law of sines. I'm looking for a side measurement, so it goes on top. X over the sine of 26, since that's the angle it's opposite, equals 25 over the sine of 102. Again, all I have to do is multiply this sine 26 up to the top. X is equal to 25 times the sine of 26, all divided by sine of 102. Put this into the calculator. Again, make sure you close the parentheses on that sine 26. X should be approximately equal to 11.2 feet. Also, notice that this triangle has configuration angle, side, angle. Angle, side, angle, which also creates one and only one triangle, and it allows us to use the law of sines in order to solve it. Let's look at example 4. But first, let's talk about using the law of sines to work backwards and finding an angle measurement instead of a side measurement. We can do that, but we first have to know if that angle is acute or obtuse. And here's the geometric reason. So if I look at these sides, I have side, side, angle. Side, side, angle. And remember that side, side angle, it's just not a congruent shortcut. It's everybody's favorite congruent shortcut that doesn't even work. Okay? And it doesn't work because it creates two triangles. I have the same set of pieces, but two totally different triangles. This one is acute, and this one is obtuse. Now, if you remember from another lesson that when I'm using sines, or the inverse sine, in order to find an angle measurement, AB equals X, well, this X, the angle that I'm trying to find, will only be between negative 90 degrees and positive 90 degrees. So I can never get this obtuse angle from it, or at least I can't in the calculator unless you trick it into finding that obtuse angle. But I'm not expecting you to do that, not until pre-cal. So let's look at trying to do that with example 4. So I'm trying to solve triangle ABC. Solving it means to find all the angles and all the sides. And you might ask yourself, well, which one of these should I find first? The answer is that if I go straight across from 150, it's angle B that I need to find first because I already have angle A. I'm looking for an angle, so I'm going to keep it on top. The sine of B over the side it's opposite, 150, equals the sine of 69 over the side it's opposite, which is 250. Multiply this 150 up top. Sine B equals 150 times the sine of 69, all divided by 250. We're going to break right here and solve the rest of it in the next video.